మనగాడికి మళ్ళీ 10 రూపాయలు అయితే వాళ్ళే
Good evening, everyone. I hope I'm audible to everyone. Guys, can I have some responses?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you so much, guys. Guys, let's just wait for a few more minutes so that other participants may join. Guys, I hope my screen is visible to everyone. So I'll be just taking a few minutes of your time. So to just give an introduction about Course Vita. So guys, as you can see, Course Vita was founded in 2021 as an innovative edtech company. So, and our mission is to provide high quality education, and it should be accessible to everyone. So we believe that edtech is the only platform which will be accessible to everyone so that they can choose education and they can grow in their career. And our main focus is on transforming education through interactive courses designed by industry experts. As if you can just go through our website also, www.coursevita.com, you can just go through that. And we have the best industry experts so far. And our course curriculum is everything is designed by them. And these are our milestone, guys. So we have overall of 1 lakh learners worldwide and 1,000 plus alumni placed in various industries. And we also have 5,000 plus premium learners. And the overall YouTubes which we have is 5,50,000. And we also offer free career counseling sessions. Even right now, it's going on. If you are interested, you can just enroll for that. And there is also 20,000 plus careers council till now. So kindly note that if you have any issues with your communication skills, if you wanna transform your career with the counseling, you can just enroll yourself with Course Vita, which is totally free. And you can, as you can see over my screen, we have our CEO and our founder, Hemant Guttala, who is also an industry expert as a data scientist. And also we have here Arjun Vinay. He is an entrepreneur and also a founder of Coach Vita. As I have mentioned, this is the free career counseling sessions, guys. And if you're also interested about the projects, you can just look over our website again, coachvita.com. You can just go through that, and there will be a lot of things. When comes to projects, there are a lot of projects which CoachVita is also offering. If you are interested, you can just go through that. You can just raise a query. Team will contact you. They'll just help you out with all the details. And this is our vision and commitments to be a trusted partner for lifelong learning and career growth for each individual, everyone across the globe. And our commitment is delivering immersive learning with cutting edge and pedagogy. Thank you guys for being with me throughout this PPT introduction session of Course Vita. I'll just stop my screen. And I just welcome everyone, each and everyone to the session. And, we have this boot camp for performance marketing, which will be for 5 days. And I guess you have also received the links via emails, WhatsApp groups, and everything. You can use that same email, I mean, that same meet link for the 5 days. And timings will be the same, guys, for the overall 5 days, 7 to 8:30. And here we have wonderful instructor, Deepika. Very good evening, Deepika. Welcome to the session.
Thank you so much.
Yep. And guys, before we dive into the session, I just want everyone to be interactive throughout the session. If you have any queries, you can just raise your hand, or else you can just post your queries in the chat box so that it can get resolved by the tutor. Over to you, Deepika.
Thank you so much. Hi all, hope everyone is doing good. So I'll share my screen. Just confirm whether you're able to see the presentation. So hope my screen is visible.
Yes, it.
Yes, okay. So before I start into performance marketing, I would like to you guys to answer what do you understand on performance marketing? Anyone from the group? Hello. Okay, so I'll start with the session. So basically, performance marketing is nothing but your ROI. So we have two different things, right? Like performance marketing and digital marketing. Now, why performance marketing is booming and what is performance marketing? So it is a part of digital marketing strategy where you can have only specific actions like clicks, leads, and sales. So what is clicks? What is leads? And what is sales? For example, clicks is nothing but you are seeing so many ads in your Instagram. While you search in Google, you will be able to see so many ads which is termed as sponsored. So you are going and clicking those links, so that is called clicks here. So leads or sales meaning you are filling some forms, you are having some contact form, you are going and filling your name, email ID, phone number, and your area code, or anything else, and giving a submit button. So that is called as a lead and sales. So why we wanted this? Because to any business you wanted to run, or anywhere in the organization in digital marketing, you are asked to pull so many contacts. So that is where your business is going to get leads, right? So that is the main objective of digital marketing as well as. So this performance marketing is shortened furthermore. In performance marketing, we are going to only concentrate on these lead, sales, and clicks. So what are the main things that has been included? The key components are pay per click, which is Google ads, which is also otherwise called as Google ads, and affiliate marketing. And then cost per action, which is for example, for your every click there will be a cost deducted from your ads thing. And retargeting, for example, you have already submitted your leads. I have some 100, 200, or 1000, 2000 contacts. I wanted these ads to display only to the 2000 contacts which I already have. That is called as retargeting. Okay. So now what is the difference between digital marketing and performance marketing, and why? Because performance marketing is completely booming. Because the scope here is digital marketing is, it is very broad, and it includes so many tactics like social media marketing, Instagram, Facebook, Tableau, so many platforms we have. But in performance marketing it is very narrowed down. For example, you wanted to do sales for your business. For example, you are investing something into your business and you wanted to get back something. So that is where performance marketing comes in. So you are very clear on your goals, you are shortcutting it, you are very narrow downing it. I want only clicks, I want only sales, I want only leads. That is the scope of performance marketing. Wherein focus, here in digital marketing we have so many focuses. For example, if you are starting up your business, you can do so many brand awareness concepts, you can do so many engagement concepts. Engagement as in like you are having so many ads, so many posters in your social media, so you wanted your followers to get increased. So digital marketing comes in. Not only awareness or engagement, there are so many concepts in digital marketing: content marketing, email marketing, WhatsApp marketing, SMS marketing, so many things. So the focus in digital marketing is completely very wide. But wherein in performance marketing it is going to be very specific action, so that our objective is very clear and our goal is very clear. So if we set a goal, very proper goal and objective, we are going to get the conversions here. So in performance marketing, the specific actions is completely conversions, nothing else. Only conversions will be targeting here. So what is the payment model here? So here it applies for various things. For example, you can have subscriptions, you can have flat fees, you can have so many options in the digital marketing. Wherein in performance marketing it is very simple, it is going to your cost per click or cost per action. So cost per click and cost per action is main target here. So what is the data usage you're going to use here is like, it is like not every time immediate results. You are going to have so many multiple strategies in digital marketing. Wherein in performance marketing it is only data driven and it is going to be very real time analytics things. For example, we can track our ads, we can correct it then and there, we can target it. It should be your niche oriented. So our goal is completely clear in performance marketing. So again, when it comes to digital marketing, the goal is like completely very long term. Where in performance marketing, it is very short term, and we are going to drive only on the return on investments. So that is the main concepts. And in performance marketing, the major thing that we are going to see is search engine optimization, which is SEO. So, what is SEO? Search engine optimization. That's the full form. For example, I am going to a Google tab. I am searching a keyword here. For example, best place, best academy, digital marketing academy in India. So whatever I search, for example, this entire Google is here, right? This entire page is Google search engine. So which whatever I search in the search bar, that is termed as search, and this entire Google is called as engine. Optimization is nothing but whatever you search in the search box, it is called as keywords or queries. Okay, hope I'm clear on this. This is very basic. If you don't understand, please raise your voice, I can clarify it. So whatever you search in this search bar, it is called as keyword and search queries. So we are searching something in Google search engine, and this is a keyword. So this keyword we are going to optimize in our website with certain rules and regulations which Google has a format. So we need to optimize this keyword. So that the full term of SEO, search engine optimization. Hope everyone is clear on that. So as I already told, what is SEO? The full term is search engine optimization. So why we are doing it? Because to increase the quantity and quality of the website traffic. For example, you have a website, you wanted to pull so many keywords here, so you obviously do SEO here. So we have two different types in SEO. For example, we have organic and we have paid ads here. So why organic? So when it comes to SEO, it is completely organic. When it comes to paid ads, it's completely you have to invest some amount. SEO, we don't want it to invest. It is like a we have set of rules and regulation to properly work on SEO, which is going to take so many times. For example, 3 to 6 months it will be taking for us to work and rank in the Google search engine. Wherein paid ads, it's like you are investing 1,000 rupees today and you are getting some revenue tomorrow. That is the difference. But when Google ads or any social paid ads, you have to keep on investing money. Wherein SEO, we are going to completely focus on SEO for 3 to 6 months, and after 6 months we'll be getting the same leads in the Google search engines or any search engines you take it. So that is the only difference between SEO and paid ads. So SEO is completely powerful because once you get ranked in Google search engine, you are going to rank for so many multiple keywords. Wherein ads, it is not like that. We have to give few keywords there, few keywords we cannot give. Wherein if you have a website, it will be start getting ranked for multiple keywords. So as I already told, so what is SERP? So this is an important factor in SEO. SERP is nothing but search engine result page. You are searching something in your Google, right? So that is search engine is your Google, full Google Chrome tab. It is engine. Result page is like you are searching something and you are getting n number of results. For example, uh, I have typed best digital marketing academy in India and I have given search thing. So I'm getting so many results here. IIDE, IIM skills. So these are the results I'm getting it, right. So that is called as search engine result page. Page is nothing but Google will have 10 to 100 pages it will be listing on, like 100 rankings it will be having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10 pages, which means this is first page, this is second page, this is third page. So it is termed as search engine result page. So what is included in SERP? So paid and organic. As I already told, always paid will be in the first. So how will you first define it? How will you first identify it? For example, I am putting digital marketing academy near me. Okay, something will be termed as sponsored, or it will be displaying as ad here in the paid thing. So when you see a word sponsored or ad, it is called as paid ad. So if there is nothing is mentioned, for example, here nothing is mentioned in the Google, it's just showing Fita Academy here, right? So only Fita Academy. So this is called as organic. So your paid will be visible in the first, and your organic will be visible in the second. So what are the basic steps you have for SEO? So first we need to do a keyword research. We need to identify a keyword. For example, whenever you work in any organization, or you're doing any kind of business, you're having a website. So website is mandatory for SEO, or if even if you do any paid ads, right? So for example, if you are doing any analyzation on a website, you first need to identify the keywords, and then your business keywords, and then you have to analyze your competitors, and you have to work on the long tail keywords, which is like, for example, you are searching something like digital marketing, which is a very short keyword, which is having two words. Long tail keywords is like more than four words. Okay, so that is long tail keywords. So the basic steps for SEO is like, you first need to work on the keywords, and then you need to know your competitors, you have to analyze your competitors, you have to pull some long tail keywords. So on page SEO, so what is on page SEO here? For example, we have different types of SEO. One is on page SEO, one is off page SEO, and then technical SEO. These are the three types of SEO we have here. So in on page, whatever we edit inside the website, for example, so we have this website, right? So whatever, we have a login page for every website. So similarly for course vita also, we'll have a login page. Whatever you edit inside your website, okay, inside your website, you're editing something, that is called as on page SEO. And off page is something like, you don't want a website login, you just need website URL, you can perform off page SEO apart from your website, that is off page SEO. Technical SEO is nothing but, once you complete your on page and off page, it is something to boost your website. You're performing some technical errors. For example, I am searching something like, I have typed some wrong URL here, so the website, the web page is not showing, it has become blank, right? Or otherwise it will show 404 error, which means this is an error for me, I have created a wrong URL. So what I need to do is, I have to properly correct it. So these kind of errors it will be showing on, and we have to rectify it. That is called as technical SEO. And there are so many errors that will be showing in the website. So those things we need to completely work on. So what is content marketing in SEO? It is very very important. Whatever we write in our website, it should be very genuine, it should be very unique, and it should attract the users. For example, however you can attract them in the infographics, videos, and blogging. These are the main three content marketing strategy we need to follow in our SEO thing. So off page, as I told, it is kind of a strategy that we work apart from our website. So local SEO is nothing but, when I type something on Google, For example, I am typing course vita here. So I am getting some kind of a address and where it is located, the phone number and the photos here, right? So this is Google My Business. So this is local SEO. This local SEO, why I am telling Google My Business is one of the strategy means because you can edit the keywords in GMB. So as well, you will be performing in local SEO, like for example, digital marketing agency near me. So these are the keywords you will be identifying in your areas. For example, digital marketing agency near me, digital marketing agency in Hyderabad. So whatever you are targeting that is completely near your place, you are targeting something, some of your location means that is local SEO. You are searching something in your area which is nearby. That is local SEO. That major strategy is GMB. We can use this GMB to optimize our local SEO. Apart from GMB, we have so many strategies for local SEO as well. And user experience, for example, you have now built a website, okay? That website is very perfect in your desktop or laptop, everything is fine, but when it comes to mobile, it got messed up. So nowadays, so many people, so many youngsters, all the 2K kids, 90s, everybody is using mobile only, right? So if we didn't optimize properly for our mobile thing, it is an user experience. So there is no proper design, there is no proper navigations, and there is no proper button. For example, call to actions, we used to say whatever button we keep it, talk to us, email us, contact us, subscribe, newsletter, these many words in a button you could have seen in so many websites, right? So those things are not properly optimized in a website means user will get disturbed and they'll be getting out of your website, right? So that should not be happening. You should always have your best user experience thing. If not, you're going to get hit in your SEO as well. So analytics and monitoring. So I have built a website, I have optimized on page, I have performed SEO. Now I just wanted to see how many people are coming to my website and seeing it. So 100 people are coming in, for example, to my website per day. So those 100 people have come in for what keyword they came in. So these analyzation, these reports, how many male, how many females, which country, have they came in from the mobile, and how they actually traveled in my website. They just came in and looked only one page of mine, or they have seen entire websites of mine. All these analytics reports will be given in the Google search console and Google analytics, okay? So with analyzing this, you need to properly again optimize into your website. So algorithm updates, say like for example, you have learned SEO, performance marketing and digital marketing, everything, and after you complete your course, you are going out of the academy. And now Google, what happens is, you are going and joining in any organization or any agencies or any company, you are performing whatever you learned in your academy, right? So after 3 months, Google will keep on updating things. For example, Google will suddenly release an update called duplicate content strategy. So if you have any copied content, your website is going to go down. This is not taught in an academy, but academy will always teach you, keep updated, stay informed, stay like you have to keep on researching some blogs there. So if you learn any kind of performance marketing, SEO or digital marketing, anything you go, Google will always give 3 months or 6 month once updates. So you have to follow those updates, then only you will be keep shining in your performance marketing and digital marketing thing. So far, any questions? Is it clear or it is confusing? Do I need to slow down myself? Okay, I take the silence as yes, you are understanding. Okay, so what is keyword? So we have spoke so many things. We have spoke what is keywords. So we have, I told search query keywords, but what is keyword? For example, you are searching anything, keyword, it's like a specific word. You want something, you wanted to research on something. For example, you have completed your MBA, you are completed your ECE, you are your engineering, anything you have completed, but then you didn't get a job, you wanted to do some kind of external courses, or you wanted to buy some shoes, you wanted to go and have some good food somewhere near you, you always go to Google search engine, you type something on the search bar, right? That is called as keyword or a search query. Okay, so it has different types of keywords. For us it is just like we have some doubts, we are typing in at Google and it is showing some result, but it has so many backend works in the Google thing. So for example, I am searching in a Google, for example I am searching best shoes for men. So I'm getting so many results here, right? So this is like some kind of mid level keywords. Now I'm typing shoes or best shoes. So these best shoes and shoes also I am getting results, right? I am searching something which is very shorter, best shoes. So this is a short tail keyword which has only two words. So whichever has two words, which is called as short tail keyword. So now I am searching best shoes for women under 1,000. So I am typing more than four words, right? So this is called as long tail keywords. Hope you understand the difference. Okay, so now there are so many people who types it shorter, there are so many people who searches in a longer way as well. So many times we do both the results, right? So that is short tail and long tail. And what is LSA keywords? For example, I am just typing, so I am just typing shoes here. So for example, my LSA keyword, my keyword is like dog. I am searching something related to dog. Okay, now in my content what happens, I am writing something about the dog. Now this laboratory dog and paws dog, dogs as paws, dog pooch, dog collar, dog grooming, dog spaniel. So with one dog keyword, I'm able to write all these things in my content. So that is LSA keyword. One more example is like cold brew coffee. This is my main LSI keyword, okay, which is latent semantic keyword. The other keywords related to it, for example, when I write something about cold brew coffee, I'll obviously include these words. For example, filter, water, beans, grind, machine, ice, recipes. For example, cold brew coffee machine, cold brew coffee ice, cold brew coffee kit, cold brew coffee glass, cold brew coffee bottle. So all these words anyways I'm going to write it in my content. So with the code, this is my LSA content, with this I'm able to put all the other keywords, that is latent semantic indexing keyword. Okay, to any page you perform, you always need to target some keywords. So now short tail keyword which has few examples. For example, C has head. So this keyword has only one or two words, right? So which is called as short tail keywords. The other examples are shoes, smartphones, recipes. These are some examples of short tail keywords. Few examples for long tail keywords are best running shoes for women, digital marketing strategies for small businesses. So, meaning which has more than three words, which the phrase you are doing, the search you are doing, which has more than three words, which is called as long tail keywords. So now I am typing running shoes in Google. Okay, I am typing a short tail keyword, but you can see the long tail keywords that Google is suggesting. For example, running shoes near me, running shoes for women, running shoes for men, running shoes for flat feet. So these are the suggestion that gives from Google. So these are the keywords you will be able to take it. So now what is the difference? Like why I should know this better now? Short tail keyword which always have the high search volume, because most of us will not always have so much patience to search with so many put like one sentence as a keyword, right? So we always prefer short tail keyword, which will always more people, since more people searching that short tail keyword. For example, digital marketing, so 50,000 people is searching for it, but wherein digital marketing course in Chennai, so that thing will be searched by 50,000 is searching digital marketing, but only 10,000 is searching digital marketing course in Chennai, Hyderabad, like that. So short tail keyword will have a generic search intent. For example, I am not searching anything with intent. I'm just surfing. I have got some interest in it. I'm searching that. Wherein in long tail keyword, I have done so many results. Now I wanted to enroll on something. I just wanted to do this course perfectly. So I will always search it with full thing. I'll go for the results on it. And this short tail keywords will always have low conversion rate. Long tail keywords will always have high conversion rate. And wherein a short tail keyword has high competition, long tail keywords will have low competition. So what is here high competition and low competition and mid level competition meaning is, for example, take a keyword digital marketing. So 50,000 people has been searched, but there are so many people who searched digital marketing. Consider there are 100 websites which is on the same industry, say like digital marketing academy. In that 100 websites only, all the 90 percentage of the people have optimized this digital marketing keyword in their website. So that is called as high competition. So you have 50,000 people have searching it, and all the people who runs academy, 90 percentage of them is using digital marketing keyword. So the competition is high here, wherein you have digital marketing course in Hyderabad. So now digital marketing academy will have entirely all over India. We have so much of academies, right? Wherein in Hyderabad alone, if you consider, there will be like some 50, say like 50 academies we have. In that 50 academy, digital marketing course in Hyderabad, they'll be optimizing like 70 percentage people will be optimized. That is called as mid competition, that is middle competition. And then wherein we have like low competition, for example, same digital marketing course in Hyderabad, out of 50 people, only 10 people, 10 to 20 people or 30 people is optimize that keyword in their website. So when you take a keyword which has high search volume and low competition, you will be able to rank faster. So this is the main strategy you will be following in the performance marketing. Okay, you always should not prefer high search volume, high competition. Go for high search volume and low competition. Why? Because you have a very less competition for this keyword. First rank for this keyword, then when you rank for that keyword, automatically 10 more keywords will be pulling from Google search engine. So you are targeting one low competition and you are gaining 9 other keywords that is ranking for this keyword. So that is the competition. When you target for high search volume, high competition, among 100 people, you can't compete and come up in the first page, right? So prefer start with low competition keywords. So for example, LSA keyword, digital marketing, you have typed it. So in digital marketing, we have SEO, we have social media marketing, we have content marketing, we have PPC advertisement, etc. Right? So with this one keyword, I can able to write about SEO, I can write about social media, I can write about content marketing, PPC advertisement. So you have to always take a keyword which is related like this. For example, smartphones and its, so my keyword is smartphone. And now if you see this is my keyword, and I'm able to write effects, features, users, impacts, price, impact, easy. So with this one keyword, I'm able to target all these words, which is called as LSA keywords. So one more example is like WordPress SEO is my primary keyword. Now Google will always show you, see, the LSA keywords in the related searches. For example, WordPress SEO, I have typed it as my primary keyword. Now, with that keyword, people also searching for WordPress SEO tutorial, WordPress SEO tips. So, one keyword only I am putting on it. So, all these extra words, if I write in my web page itself, I am going to rank for all these keywords with one targeting keywords. So, now we have completed the types of keywords. We have so many keywords in it. For example, take as a branded keywords. For example, you have a brand. For example, take like sneakers. You have sneakers, you have Apple iPhone. This Nike sneakers and Apple iPhone will not be able to use in our website. It is something for my brand. For example, I can use digital marketing course. It is a general keyword. I cannot use digital marketing course vita digital marketing. I cannot use course vita in my website because that's not my business, that's not my brand. So it is someone else branded, right? So whenever you go for branded keyword, you always need to put your organization name, which is your business name. Digital marketing course, so course vita digital marketing, so course vita academy, course vita institute, course vita syllabus, course vita performance marketing. So with the general keyword you have, you need to include your brand name, and that is called as brand keywords. These brand keywords is something we are creating our own keywords simultaneously. After 1 year, 2 years, when someone is typing course vita, I have started with my brand is very new, so there is no search volume for course vita for now. I mean day one. When you go for day 500 for course vita, I'll be having 10,000 search volumes. So meaning I have created this keyword, I have created this branding. So that is called as branding keywords. Now, geo targeting keywords, which is some keywords which you will always search for in Chennai, near me, in Hyderabad, in Telangana. So, restaurants in Chennai, restaurants in near me, plumbers near me, best pizza in Hyderabad. So, whatever you specifically type an area or near me, that is called as geo targeting. You are searching with some kind of a location name is called as geo targeted keywords. Also, it is for a regional people who is staying in that particular location. For example, we are staying in Hyderabad, we are searching something related to Hyderabad. For example, best performance marketing course in Hyderabad. So I am targeting, I am tagging some locations of mine, right? That is called as geo targeting keywords. So next, informational keywords. For example, I am not typing something called as digital marketing and all. So for example, how to tie a tie, what is climate change, what is the best exercise for weight loss, tips for growing organic vegetables. So whenever you include how, what, why, when, best ways, tips, and there are so many things, etc., etc., to search it. So for example, you wanted to know something and you're inquiring your search way in that, right? For example, best digital marketing academy in Hyderabad. So you wanted to know which is the best academy, right? So you wanted to know some information, so you are searching that query in the Google. That is called as informational keywords. And those which always starts with how, what, why, when, and best ways, top digital marketing academy in Hyderabad. So all these things are called as informational keywords. Next, transactional keywords. For example, you have a website, something called as Amazon, Flipkart, or Myntra, Mizo. So we'll always need to optimize a keyword like buy iPhone online, buy running shoes. You are something searching related to buy, order, purchase, or you're doing some kind of a discounts, deals, coupons, book now, sign up. All these called as transactional keywords because we are making them to click our button and asking them to pay, right? So that is transactional keywords. When you have an e-commerce website, you always need to prefer a keyword which belongs like buy, order, purchase, discount, deals. These are your main keywords, will play a vital role. So now navigational keywords. For example, you are going to Google and just typing Instagram login, email login, Gmail login, course vita official login. So whichever, like sign up, sign in, these are the pages that is called as navigational keywords. Because if you are putting this Facebook login, when I click on the link, it is going to navigate to me for my website Facebook, right? So that is what navigation. It is navigating me and it is asking me to log in somewhere and it is navigating to their website. That is called as navigational key. So seasonal keywords, for example, for example, we are coming, this month is we have Diwali, right? So before Diwali, 2 to 3 months we have to plan advancedly, like what are the gift ideas we can plan. For example, Diwali gift offers, Diwali days gift, buy one get one Diwali offer. So these are the seasonal keywords. For example, when Christmas is coming on, before 2 months you need to write a blog and optimize these keywords in your website. When Diwali is coming in, before 2 months you need to write a blog and optimize these keywords in your blog things, so you will be able to properly rank on before Diwali, like say like 31st is Diwali na, we will be start searching best dresses, best what are the offers for dresses, like that, right? So if you wanted to do a seasonal SEOs, it is possible, and you have to do it in 2 to 3 months in advance thing. So now we understood what is keyword. We have so many types. All these types are very very important, right? Now you need to do a keyword research before it. We can't simply take whatever we search and put it in our website, correct? So what we need to do is like, we need to first search our keywords. How you will get it? For example, it is as we already saw, it is something, the phrase or a specific word that you search in your Google search. So when you search your keyword, you always need to make sure it has a high volume search terms. And it is that only doesn't meaning only that is a required point. So when you take a search volume, you also need to understand, is that keyword apt to my website in this particular products? Is this keyword is irrelevant to my content? Is this keyword will disturb my users? Is this keyword which is right for my website? So all these points you need to remember before it. So how to find a suitable keyword? So first what you need to do is, we'll be assigning you a website. For example, consider I am assigning you a website. I am asking you to take keywords for this particular website. So first thing you need to do is, you have to read the content which is there in the website. So what are the products or services or topics that they have written in their website? So now if you identify these two, you will be knowing what is your target audiences and what are their interests. So now what are the synonyms and whom I should need to target? And then I have to go for the search trends. So for example, you have taken few topics from the website, you are going and analyzing the keywords, whether this keyword has high volume, low volume, search volume, and which has any trends in it. What is the competition in it? Is this related, directly related to my business? Is this keyword a long tail? All these questions you need to ask yourself before you finalize your keywords. So now you have been assigned a website, but you doesn't know nothing. I don't know any keyword. I don't know how to do a competitor research. So first step you need to do is like, you need to go to Wikipedia. Okay, so Wikipedia will give you all the topics. Go to Wikipedia and type. For example, in Wikipedia, I am typing coffee Wikipedia. I am clicking on the first Wikipedia website. So when I click on the coffee, I'm able to see so many different keywords, right? For example, coffee beans, caffeine, roasted beans are roasted, iced coffee, espresso, French peas. So these are my related keywords. So I have got one keyword. I know the business thing that is related to coffee. I am putting that in the Wikipedia. I am getting so many keywords. Okay, this you have to collect it and keep it. So another example is digital marketing. I am typing digital marketing, there are so many words that comes for me: social media optimization, email direct, display advertisement, e-commerce, social media marketing. So these are the other keywords I am getting from one of my keyword. So Wikipedia is your best place to find in. So now you have to go into the incognito mode. You are searching in your Google coffee. or best movies. When I type this, I am able to get so many suggestions. For example, when I type coffee, I am able to get types of coffee, coffee beans, coffee powder, coffee benefits, coffee brands. When I search for best movies, I am able to get all the other related keywords, right? So you need to take all these keywords and put it in your Word document or in any Excel document. So these are the other keywords of yours you need to take and keep it aside. So one is Wikipedia. You have a, you if you doesn't know anything about your keywords, you always go put your sole word in Wikipedia and get relevant keywords, or else go to Google, type here, you it will give you suggested keyword lists. So again, the few more examples are baking aprons, wooden swing, wooden swing. So whatever I type it, it is giving plural formats, or it is giving me some kind of long tail keywords. All these things are being visible, right? So Wikipedia and then Google search. Even when you search Google, I am typing Google, it will always show you people also search for, right? You will be getting this tabular. So these are my long tail keywords. What is people search for in Google? So this is one of my long tail keyword. For example, I have typed coffee here. So is coffee good for health? So this is one of my long tail keyword. So you are getting keywords from Wikipedia, you are able to get keywords from Google auto suggestions, you are able to get keywords from people also ask in your Google search engine itself. Then apart from this, we are able to get it in a related searches as well. For example, coffee beans, coffee benefits, coffee powder. So all the related search, it will be always available in the at the end of your website. For example, I am typing digital marketing here. So I am getting, right, people also ask. So these are my long tail keywords. And I am typing digital marketing agency, I am getting so many suggestions here. Digital marketing agency in Chennai, in Hyderabad, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. So these are my auto suggested keyword from Google, and these people also ask for. And when I scroll down at the bottom, I am able to get the local related searches as well. For example, digital marketing in Chennai, digital marketing agency Coimbatore. So these are the another related searches that Google is suggesting you. So these are the ways that you need to identify your Google keywords. So now we have taken few keywords which you have analyzed. Now we need to know for that particular keyword how many people have actually searched for it. Am I the only one who is searching for that particular keyword, or for like me, how many people have searched it? You need to have the search volume. So what I will do is I will always seek for Google Keyword Planner. So this is a free tool which you can use and take the keywords from this Google Keyword Planner. So to log in into this, what you need to do is go to Google, type Google Keyword Planner. Okay, so this is Google Keyword Planner. So I'm clicking on this first link. Since I already have an, so you have to click on this visit link, sign up and go inside it. Since I have already have an account, it will be asking me to work on the, directly it will take me to the login page. Now we have, this is our Google dashboard, okay, keyword dashboard. So this tool, what it will be doing is like, it we can discover keywords. For example, I am typing here, I wanted to change location to Hyderabad. I can do any kind of, for example, digital marketing for this particular keyword, how many people are searching in USA, I can change the location to United States here, United Kingdom, whatever country, whatever place you needed, you can always change this and do. So I am targeting now Hyderabad. So I am keeping Hyderabad alone. I am keeping it safe. Sometimes the keyword will be same. For example, if you keep India, it is going to show the same volume. Okay. So I am typing digital marketing course, and I have to type this and enter. So now get me a results. So what this tool will do is it will give me n number of results. For example, we have digital marketing, I have typed digital marketing course, right? It will also show you all other keywords in the downwards. So now the main thing is, for example, this is a keyword, this is a average monthly search. For example, digital marketing course, for this particular keyword, 1000 to 1k to 10k people, meaning 1000 to 10,000 people have searched this keyword in Hyderabad. So which meaning up to 10,000 people are searching for this keyword. So that is a search volume. Average monthly searches is 1000 to 100k. So this is a good volume. 10,000 people are searching for this particular keyword, right? So I will finalize this keyword and take it. Now this is a trending. For example, 3 month change, year on year change. 3 months change meaning, for example, consider now this is October. From August, from September, like July to October, the keyword has not shown any trending, it is static. For example, if it is very 100 means it is like same only, it doesn't increase, it doesn't got low, the trend is very static, it is not high either, it is not low. So year on year changes also, every year it is like 10,000 people only it is being utilized. So this is something called as trending keyword. If you have any trending keyword, some percentage will be shown here. And competition, as I already told, 100 websites are there means, so the competition is medium here, right? So digital marketing course, out of 100 businesses, only 60 to 70 percentage of the people have optimized this particular keyword. That is called as competition. Okay, now this is top bidding and low bidding. So when you do SEO, you need to see this, how many people have searched it, and the competition you need to target. The other performance marketing scale is like, when you perform Google ads, you need to see, for example, when you run an ad, digital marketing course, you are running it. For example, user one is going to Google, he is typing digital marketing course, he is searching in the 9 a.m. or even 10 p.m. in Hyderabad itself. Consider this is an ad. I am clicking this link. So I may be charged 40 rupees. Now again, user 2 is coming and he or she is from Chennai. Same ad is coming. He is clicking on it. He will be charged for 90 rupees. So that ad will cost us for 90 rupees. So that is what the minimum and maximum. For example, if you put this keyword in your Google ad, you will be either deducted 41 rupees or you will be maximum deducted 139 rupees. That is the concept. When you run Google ads, these are the bidding thing you need to prioritarily work on. But when it comes for SEO, you have to look for average monthly searches and then the competition. Hope you understand these concepts. If you have any doubts, please let me know. Someone has raised the hands. So we shall have. So hope you have understood. I have just seen the search. Let me know one by one. Ashta Jain, you have raised your hands for doubts. Can you please ask me what's your doubt? Hasta Jain. Abhishek, are you there? Hello. Hello. So hope you understood till this. So this is a keyword planner. I just wanted you guys to now go to Google and log in into the keyword planner. Just type Google keyword planner and log in. Let me know if you face any difficulties. I'll guide you. Melancia, you have doubt. You have raised your hand. Can you unmute yourself? Ravindra Singh Besan, you also raise your hands, but can you unmute yourself and let me know what it is?
Yeah. Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, I can. May I know your name?
My name is Ravinder, ma'am.
Okay, tell me.
Ma'am, I just wanted to understand, as you told me, regarding Google Keyword Planner,
Yeah.
and you have told that in the last section there were two columns where the top of the page bid, low range and high
Low
range were
range and
given,
high range bidding. Yes.
right? So,
Yes.
ma'am, suppose someone clicks on any ad, right? Paid ads.
Mm.
Then what were you saying that this is the money that the company has to pay, which is advertising, right?
Yes. Advertisers has to pay.
Okay, and this is the minimum and maximum price that is he has to
Yeah.
pay
Yes, for a particular keyword.
for a
For
particular
example,
keyword.
in one ad, you will be optimizing 20 keywords, 40 keywords, right?
Okay,
So for this particular keyword, the minimum is 40 rupees, maximum is 150 rupees.
and this
So
depend. Mainly depends upon the location also, ma'am, where you are searching. It also
based
depends.
on your, it includes a location, it includes the timing, it includes the weekends, weekdays. So
Hmm.
everything depends on it.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
No problem, Ravinder. Thank you. Guys, Sahil Anwar.
Deepika, can we wind up?
Sure. But people
Guys,
have doubts
if you
here.
have
People are raising
like
hands.
if one, they can use the chat box.
Sure. Okay. Okay, fine. I have actually 8 to 8:30 is a kind of task that we have planned. So I have asked them to log in into the Google Keyword Planner. So are they going to do it, or should they do it and come back tomorrow? Hello.
Deepika, they can do it right away.
Sure.
If it is kind of assignments, they will be taking, when they will be doing that homework at home and they will be coming back tomorrow. It's up to
Yeah,
you.
I just wanted them, all of them, to log in into the Google Keyword Planner alone. If they have any difficulties, let them know. I'll just give the task if it's required. But I wanted to, because next class it is going to fully based on that Google Keyword Planner.
Then it's fine. If it is a task, they will just do it right away in this session right now.
Done. So I request everyone to log in into Google Keyword Planner.
You can just help them out. They will just do that. And guys,
Sure.
if you have once done that, you can just post that in the chat box so that it will have a confirmation to the tutor as well.
So I repeat again how to log in into Google Keyword Planner. Just go to your Google, type Google Keyword Planner. So you'll be able to get this link. Click on this link. Visit Keyword Planner. It will ask you to log in with your email ID. Log in into your email ID, and it will take you to the dashboard. Okay. If you have any difficulties, please let me know.
Hello.
Yes, may I know your name?
Akhan this side.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, actually, I want to ask something
Yeah.
about the keyword. As you
Okay.
told that there is a high bid limit and the maximum bid limit. But if we run a ad for a keyword,
Mm.
so in the search term, we also notice that the keyword trigger for the different keyword also. At that
Mm.
time, I noticed that the bidding strategy also play role for the charges and all the things for the particular keyword.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
Because
Mm.
that time quality scores also matter that and the rank on all the things also matter on that time.
Yes. Yes.
So if I run a ad for a campaign and there is only one single keyword
Mm.
and like it's in like a exact match and the like phase match type. So I noticed that at that time the like bidding strategy also play the role for the bidding. Because if I run ad for the maximize conversion value, so the
No.
costing is that time is will be high. And if I run ad for the targeting TCPA, so at that
Mm.
time I noticed that the bidding is low, but I get the more conversion that time.
Mm. Mm.
So
Okay.
how can I identify if the bidding how much I can bid for if I go for the manual? So if I go for the like average of the value, so that time the keyword is not running so good.
Mm.
So what is like keyword strategy if we go for the campaign? So what is the like best keyword strategy for the campaign?
Okay, for example, see like digital marketing course is your primary keyword you have kept in among your ad groups. Okay, so the ad started getting live and it started running. For digital marketing course, there are if you are given phrase exact or broad, which keyword you are going to given. For example, you in your particular case, if you are going to give exact match, it is only going to pull for digital marketing courses, so for that bidding alone, you will be charged. If you are going to give phrase match or broad match in your keyword, for example, digital marketing course you have given and you have given the broad match keyword, which is meaning even if someone is typing digital, your ad is going to visible for them. So
Okay,
at that time, when you click digital marketing course and you click on that keyword and pull the search terms, you're going to get hundreds and hundreds of broad match keywords which is related to it, right? So you
okay,
need to read all these 300 plus keywords and you have to segregate them. This is my relevant keyword, this is not my relevant keyword. So which are my relevant keyword, that you need to add them as a keyword. Before you add them as a keyword in your campaign, you need to see the volume of it. And
okay,
whichever is like, for example, digital marketing course, digital is something irrelevant to my ad, right? So I will mark this particular keyword and put it in my negative list.
okay,
So this is the main strategy that you need to work on. So a bidding strategy will depend on the keyword, bidding things that you have. For example, 30 to 50 is the maximum thing, now it is going to charge that way only. But as you asked, like there are so many search terms that is going to be there, so you need to daily monitor the search terms and put them in a right place, whether it should be a keyword or it should go negative list in my.
negative. Okay,
Yeah, or you simply need to give exact match. When you give exact match, your budget per budget is going to become high.
okay,
When you give broad match, your lead cost is going to become low, but at the same time you are going to get so many you need to daily optimize your keywords. For example, you need to daily bucket list your negative list, you need to daily bucket your this particular these 10 keywords are my relevant keywords, so you need to segregate this, you need to work surely on this on a daily basis. That is how you need to strategize here.
okay. One more thing I have to ask.
Okay.
Recently, I run a campaign for
Mm-hmm.
a live classes, and
Okay.
I noticed that the the campaign is lost of budget around
Mm.
90%, but
Okay.
because of budget. But I go for the rank, and like in the rank, it's good. Like quality score is like 10 into 10, and like all the things are 10 to 10, and
Mm.
like if go for the auction inside, na, I lost the like impressions
Mm-hmm.
because I unable to like bid for the bidding, and I run the campaign for the maximize clicks, and then I decided a conversion and go for the TCPA. But
Mm-hmm.
when I like run the ad, na, so if I put the value of like TCPA of around 100 or 110, so
Mm-hmm.
it has now go for the bidding.
Mm-hmm.
So may I know the reason why it's not go for the bidding at that time? But if I go for
Because
the
you're
maximize
already
clicks,
given it as a you have choose your objective as a maximize clicks, right? So
yeah,
obviously for a number of clicks only it's going to take on.
no, number of clicks when I have to decide a target, what is the my target CPA. So I run
Mm-hmm.
the ad for the maximize click. But when I switch the campaign for the TCPA, so it's not participate in the bidding.
Mhm. Maybe you need to wait for a week. Have you waited? Because whenever you
Yeah,
make a changes, whenever you live it, you have to wait for 1 week or even 14 days.
yeah, I
It
wait
has
for
to
that.
perform from the starting. So
Yeah,
if you edit something, you need to wait for 14 days, or if it still exists, you can always do a research why it went wrong. What have you changed? You should create. You have to duplicate your campaign and do it properly from the initial stages.
okay. Because when I go for the like competitor matrix, na, I check the competitor matrix.
Mm-hmm.
So the budget is good. Like my campaign is good for the budget, but it like due to the rank issue, so it's not participate in the auction. But if I go for the quality score and the ad relevance, so it's all like 10 into 10 and all the things are good over there. But
Okay.
I can't understand why the campaign is not going for the bidding.
Okay. You also need to check where and when is your ad is showing. For example, on which website and all it started showing. And then you always need to check all these things. Is this relevant location? And you can always see which and all website it is showing it. Is that a search or display?
It's a search campaign.
It's a search campaign. You have clicked both the search, third party search and third party displays, right? Both things you have clicked now. In display where and all it showed your ad, those things you need to analyze.
Okay.
Or if you have edited something, sometimes it might be a Google backend bug. You need to contact with their person. So if in that case you need to pause your ad, you have to wait for 14 days. uh, Google will almost show all your recommendation and all these things. Okay, so if you optimize it properly, the ad quality should go good. If not, you can duplicate it and do a test ad and then see what went wrong.
Ma'am, hello, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Tell me, Sahil.
Ma'am, for running and Google ad, how we have to set a bid? For example, the average bid is 30 and the top bid is 120. So, what amount we should take for running this ad, for
You
taking the
will
bid?
not. For example, it is not based on simply I can't tell you can keep 50 rupees, you can keep 60 rupees. You have to always analyze what industry it is, what kind of a product or service it is. You have to analyze the competitors and then only you can fix your per lead cost.
Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Ma'am, for
Mm.
example, the lowest bid is 30 and the top is 130. So, what should amount for example we want to take exactly,
Sorry, come again.
ma'am? If the keyword be lowest amount is 20
Mm.
and the top of the amount is around 130. So, what the exact amount we want to take?
No, it is not something we take it. It automatically pulls by Google backend. We need to fix particular lead cost. For example, we can arrest the particular lead cost, but we can't arrest particular keyword cost. It will be deducted by Google backend.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Sahil. Vinayak, yes, you can. Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, may I know your name?
Ma'am, Saurabh.
Yeah, Saurabh.
Search at Google Ad. So the thing is that the when we're talking about the phrase match or exact match, I use a most of the phrase match and exact match.
Phrase and
So
exact.
there is, yeah. So the ad for the data analytics courses.
Mm-hmm,
So
mm-hmm.
the thing is that there is some relevancy scores are matters to when we run an ad or something like that. So the thing is matter in a relevancy score.
Okay.
Is there matter for the run ad means when for competitor analysis? Is that matter?
Your
So
voice is
we means
breaking.
now I'm audible.
Yes.
I'm asking that the
Mm.
when we talking about the means same other company or other competitor run
Mm-hmm.
ad for same keywords. Okay.
Okay.
So that time there is a relevancy score matter for the running the ad. So I
No.
have an exact match. So um,
So you're asking, my competitors is also using digital marketing course. I am also using digital marketing course. So is that
yeah,
fine? You're asking that only, right?
no, I'm asking about the keywords. So
Yeah.
only thing is about the keywords.
Mm.
I believe that the exact match and the phrase match
Yes, match.
means use the proper keywords. Then only
Okay.
your ad will run properly. I think.
Yeah.
So the thing is that I'm using same keywords as my competitor using that. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
as example, data analytics course in Pune. I'm living in Pune. This
Okay.
I run this I, I run ad on this particular keywords and more
Okay.
keyword, but the focus on this particular keywords as an exact
Mm.
match keyword. And my competitor also run the same ad on particular keywords.
Okay.
So there, that time, what factor are the matters? Means there is a
Your
relevance
budget,
score
your
matters.
per day budget matters. If your competitor and you are running a same product and will for the same keywords, budget matters. For
Okay.
example, per day budget, if you are keeping 500 rupees, your competitors is having 1000 rupees. Obviously,
Yeah.
budget is one of the strategy I'm telling. You have to use
Okay.
your title, headings, and all is there, right? Heading description there and all
Yeah.
you need to optimize
Yeah.
your keywords. That is one more strategy. And then the per day budget, if your competitor is having all the keywords that is optimized in their data analytics, he has optimized in his headings, in his descriptions, and he used all the click to call actions in his ads, and then he also optimized for 1000 rupees. Now he is going to top than you. If you are going to fail
So
to
that
optimize
time the
all,
bidding strategy is a matter.
yes,
So
obviously, yes.
I bid for 160 and he bid for 170, then my
Yes,
competitor ads will shown.
yes, yes. It is.
Means
It is based on all
the
these things. You have to optimize your headings, descriptions. You have to optimize your
okay.
keywords. You
And
have to keep. Mm,
my question is that there is a
mm.
relevancy matter, means the relevancy scores are also, is that
It
matter for
matters.
the,
Yes, it is. It is. It matters.
so the question is that mine. So it's a matter of,
Yes, it is.
that's,
It is matter. It is matter.
so that's the content part or means is that a content part? Means relevancy score
In
are
ad,
depend on your content.
when you run ads, content definitely matters. What headings you're giving, what description you're giving, what type of a keyword you're giving, what is the bidding cost you're giving, at what time your ad is running, at what budget you're giving it. Everything matters.
Yeah.
Ma'am, excuse me. I would like to add something, ma'am.
Sure.
As you told, you are very right that you are this code depends upon this thing, your ad relevancy also, how much relevant your ad is. First,
Yes.
the content that you are saying,
Yeah.
that is correct.
Yes.
Secondly, the keywords also, the keyword should be relevant to whatever your ad is. Third is one more thing I would like to add, landing page experience also. That the
Yes.
landing page where people are going also, na,
Exactly. Exactly.
that should
Thank
also
you.
be very
Thank you
much
so much
relevant to
for
whatever
adding
your
that.
ad is.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Only just wanted to add whatever you said. Whatever you're saying is right, but only one point I would like to add. Landing
Thank you
page.
so much for adding them. Is landing page, when it comes to Google Ads, landing page is something very, very important.
Which is very, very important, ma'am. And
Yes,
that also, and your CTR is also very important. You know how many
exactly.
clicks you are getting then.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
And my question is that the relevancy or not other than that. Okay,
Sorry.
thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so
My
much.
question is related to only relevancy. Is a matter
Oh,
or not matter?
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
Hi,
you.
you,
ma'am.
everyone.
Hi, ma'am. This is Vinayak.
Yeah. Yeah, Vinayak.
Yeah, my question is about Facebook ads.
Okay.
So I have a client. So he
Mm-hmm.
wanted to run campaigns. So
Okay.
this Dasara, Diwali, like this festivals is going on. He's a jewelry shop. So what is the strategy? What type of strategy I can use for this?
You have a website. It is an e-commerce website or it is a normal website?
Yeah, e-commerce website.
E-commerce website. So you're going to run video ad or it's just in static or carousel ad, shopping
Yes,
ad.
yes,
What kind of
yes.
a ad are you plan to target?
Carousel ad or video ads.
Okay, so when you do when it comes for Facebook, it is very much depends on the creative you choose. For example, you have to keep your creative simple at the same time stronger. Okay,
Okay,
so you need to put some kind of a offer content in it. For example, 50 percentage offer, 20 percentage Diwali offer. These kind of words will always click. Or you need to put kind of for example, that particular product value is 50,000 rupees, and in the offer price you are going to give it for 40,000 rupees. So you need to mention all these things. That is one important thing, and you need to put your primary textures and headings, call to action buttons perfectly. When it comes to
okay,
Facebook and Instagram, your creatives are very, very important, your content is very, very important.
okay. So minimum how many days do we analyze the data? How many days I need to run the campaign? Minimum 30, 60 or 90
So what kind of a
rupees.
conversion have you given? Is that lead, is that call, is that
Lead,
uh,
lead
lead only, someone who's filling from your website, or it is a
form.
form? So at least you need to give 14 to 20 days.
Okay.
two
14 to
weeks
20 days.
complete Yeah, 2 weeks completely you need to analyze. To it start getting properly in the first week. You can't run an ad in Facebook and pause it. Like, for example, first day it is coming from, you have targeted some Hyderabad location and people are coming from Chennai. You can't pause it immediately. You have to wait for 1 week. You have to add all the strategies. You need to how see how it works. So you need to find all these things. For this you need to need at least 7 to 14 days. You need to wait for it to perform.
Yeah, sometimes I targeted nearest 5 kilometer only, but ad
Hmm.
is performing like I'm getting leads from 30 to 40 kilometers from their people. How it's
Ah,
possible, ma'am?
it is possible because we need to arrest it much stronger. For example, your ad is started. You have just kept 5 kilometers, right? And you're adding that same ad for more than 1 month, 2 months. Now it is going to obviously go in 5 kilometer. Your ad is already reached 100 people.
Correct.
So you are still running ads with the same image, same video. So at
Okay.
that time you need to change your ad strategy, that is ad creatives.
Okay. So during this performance marketing, your session, so Facebook ads or ad creative, all
Mm.
this practically will showing or what, ma'am?
Yes, we'll be covering Google Ads also will be covered.
Both Facebook ads and Google ads.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Sure, sure. Thank you so much, Vinay.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Aruba this side, ma'am.
Yeah, Rupa.
Ma'am, I have a question regarding my Google Ads account that I'm running a Performance Max campaign and my conversion rate is not like increasing. So
Mm-hmm.
how can like I can increase my conversion rate?
So you need to analyze your competitors, and then what kind of, for example, you can go to cognitive mode, see for
Hmm.
what and all keywords their ads is getting tracked. You need to see that, and you need to optimize your performance marketing. You have 2 3 ads in one, right? So you need to put check all the other display ads, where and all it is going displayed, which YouTube channel it is displaying, what kind of a headlines you are giving, what kind of a description you are giving. Have you set on a particular bidding strategy, or you have changed anything? What is your budget? All these things you need to analyze and do everything properly. And Google will show you some kind of suggestions, right? You need to see which suits. You need to mark all those suggestions. You need to take all these suggestions, and you need to improve your quality of the ad. When it comes to performance max, you need to see all these relevancies, and you need to properly work on these things. So anybody who has anybody doubts?
Guys, you can also ask the questions which is related to only today's topic. So kindly stick on to that. If you have any other queries, you can just drop that in the chat box. And meanwhile, I have also posted an feedback form. Kindly go to that and do fill the feedback form, because it will be marked as your attendance for this whole 5-day bootcamp. So without fail, kindly do fill the feedback form so that you may receive the certification from CourseVita. I guess everyone's queries are resolved by the tutor. If there are any, you can just drop that in chat box, or else we can wrap up for today. And tomorrow we'll be meeting up at the same time, guys. You can use the same link to join the session. And meanwhile, I have also posted some web pages of CourseVita so that you will stay updated with CourseVita.
I just started calling you.
Deepika, I guess we can wrap up for today, because I see no queries or doubts in the chat box.
Sure, sure.
And once again, thank you for the wonderful session. And guys, thank everyone for the participation. And I hope everyone had enjoyed and gained the knowledge from our expert, Deepika. And yes, thank you so much, guys.
Thank you so much.
That's all, guys. Have a great day. Take care. Guys who have given the feedback form, feedback, can leave the session. Guys, recordings and PPTs for today will be shared in the WhatsApp groups. So kindly stay in the WhatsApp group. You will be getting recordings and everything by tomorrow afternoon. And you can also invite if any of your friends or colleagues are interested for this performance marketing bootcamp. I guess everyone had filled the feedback form. So let's leave for today, guys. Have a great night. Let's meet again at the same time tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye. Good night.